Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to separate Excel file. Open your workbook, choose split criteria like column value, sheet count, or row range, and save a backup first. Use filters to isolate records, copy visible cells to new workbooks, and name files clearly. Automate repetitive splits with a macro or Power Query for larger datasets. Keep copies in a separate folder for safety. Open the source sheet and apply filters for the values you want to separate. Select visible cells, copy them, then paste into a fresh workbook and format headers consistently. Save with descriptive file names and test opening each file to confirm data integrity. Repeat for each category and keep a master index sheet listing file contents. This manual approach is simple and reliable for small datasets. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches while working through spreadsheets, try leak-proof containers for mess-free meal prep and easy portioning. They stack neatly beside your desk, save time, and keep salad dressings from visiting your files, which I find delightful. If you like this suggestion, please subscribe and like if the video is helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Record or write a macro to loop through unique values, filter, and save files automatically to a chosen folder. Alternatively, use Power Query to group data, extract tables, and load results to separate sheets before exporting. For very large datasets, consider third-party tools that batch export by key fields. Test automation on a copy first, and log progress to catch any unexpected errors during processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.